Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm so glad you stopped by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my festive DIY videos. Today we are making a beautiful wall hanging Christmas craft. It's a super easy, affordable and will make your home look magical this holiday season. Alright, let's start with the material you will need. A round of square cardboard base, some red and green colored paper or fabric, hot glue gun or craft glue, a few decorative beads, bells, ribbons and ornaments, plus scissors and some fairy lights or glitter for the extra sparkle. All these items are easily available at home or in any nearby stationery or craft shop. Let's start by preparing our base. Take your piece of cardboard and cut into your desired shape, round heart or even a Christmas tree shapes. Now cover the base with red or green paper. Use glue to stick it nearly and neatly, making sure these are no wrinkles or bubbles. This will be the background for our beautiful wall hanging. Now let's add some decorations. Take your ribbon or lace and start wrapping it around the board of borders of your base. You can mix gold and red ribbon for a more festive touch. Once done, glue some teeny ornaments or beads around the edges. These add the holiday sparkle we all love. If you have old Christmas ornaments that you are not using, this is the perfect way to repurpose them. For the center, you can create a mini Christmas scene. Use colored paper to cut out shapes like snowflake, stars, candy cones, or even a small Santa face. Arrange them in a creative pattern, maybe a Christmas wreath shape or a tree. Stick them carefully with glue and let everything dry for a few minutes. If you want a more elegant look, you can even use fabric, flower, or dried leaves. Paint in gold or silver. Now that your design is complete, it's time to make it ready for hanging. Punch a small hole at the top and add a ribbon loop or starring. Before hanging it up, wrap a small set of battery fairy lights around for the glowing Christmas look. Trust me, when the light reflect on your decoration, it's look absolutely magical. Add a few final touches, maybe a bow at the top of bell at the bottom, and that's it. Your beautiful wall hanging Christmas craft is ready. I hope you enjoy making this beautiful DIY Christmas wall hanging with me. It's simple, fun, and add too much from your home this festive season. Let's start preparing our base. For the center, you can create a mini Christmas scene. Use colored paper to cut out shapes. Most of item you are already at your home. You can easily arrange this for your crafting. Nothing to buy from your market. Make it at your home. We hope you like this video. If you like, so please must subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. You can also visit our channel. There is lots of amazing projects, DIY projects, crafting, step-by-step tutorials which can help you to create a beautiful craft for upcoming Christmas event. Most of design we already uploaded as a tutorial. On the Christmas event you can arrange and craft Christmas wreath and wall hanging design, Santa, Christmas tree, jute craft. These all projects at our channel. Wall hanging is the most beautiful and amazing touch at your Christmas and holiday festive. You can gift it for your friends and family. Keep watching and support our channel. We really need your support for arranging most beautiful crafts for you. If you like, so please share our video with your friends and family. They will help to make your Christmas event cozy and beautiful with your own hand. We really appreciate if you like our videos, our crafting with our own hand. Most of project is totally budget friendly, eco friendly. $0 spent and make your home cozy and beautiful. We hope you like the video. Thanks for watching our channel. Thanks for watching our video. God bless you all. Have a very special and